What's going on, everybody? Once again, it's Muhammad back with another video, and today I'm going to be giving you 10 simple ways to make passive income online. And these 10 ways are not some sort of gimmick. These are actually proven ways through which people are making money, and some people are also making a living out of it. It's very likely that you are not going to use all the 10 ways that I'm going to discuss today, but if you use at least 2 or 3 ways out of these 10 ways, then I'm very hopeful that you can make some extra money. So please stay tuned and watch the full video. The first way to make passive income online is by selling digital products. A digital product can be anything like a bunch of videos, a compilation of PDF documents, or an ebook. To sell these digital products, you don't have to be super smart. You can just create a small website, and then on that website you can start selling these digital products. You can also sell the digital products via third-party websites like ClickBank. And the good thing about selling digital products is you will never run out of inventory. Whenever a customer orders your product, all they have to do is they just have to add the product to their cart, and when they check out, they can directly download the product. So you never have to worry about the inventory. The second way to make passive income online is through freelancing. Whether you are a graphic designer or an animator, or you are good at writing books, no matter what kind of skill you have, if you have some time, you can always make money by freelancing. To start this business, all you have to do is you have to go to websites like freelancer.com and websites like fiverr.com, and there you have to display your skills. And whenever someone hires you, they will pay you hourly, or they can also pay you upfront for the whole project. So if you have some time, you can always make money, make some extra money by freelancing. Just go to these websites, display your skills, and get hired. The third way to make passive income online is by writing books. I am personally into this business from a long time, and I can say that this business has some potential. Whether you are an author or whether you are a publisher, you can make some money by publishing books on websites like kdp.amazon.com, or you can also publish your books on websites like CreateSpace.com. You can also publish your audiobooks on websites like acx.com. So no matter what kind of book you have, there's always a platform there for you. So if you are good at writing, you can write your own books and publish on these platforms. Or if you are not good at writing but you want to publish few books, then you can always hire ghostwriters. These are the people who are willing to write books for the publisher. So you can find these kind of ghostwriters on website like fiverr.com. You have to go to this website and you have to search with a keyword like ebook or Kindle book, something like that, and then you can find people who are willing to write a book and who are willing to give the rights of their book to you. So you can hire people like that on fiverr.com or other websites, and then you can publish those books on platforms like Kindle, CreateSpace, and acx. So this is a very simple business, and you can quickly start making some extra money. The fourth way to make passive income online is through blogging. Blogging has been on the internet from a long time, and the competition in this business has grown tremendously. But if you are passionate about writing blogs or articles or developing websites, then you can always make money by creating blogs or creating websites. You can monetize those websites. But the thing here is, if you are not good at search engine optimization, or if you are not good at writing long blog posts, then it's very unlikely that you are going to make any money out of this. But if you are good at search engine optimization, and if you are good at creating affiliate links or the content around affiliate links, then you can make some extra money by blogging. All you have to do to make money through blogging is you have to monetize your website or blog through the platforms like Google AdSense. You have to go to Google AdSense, and there you have to create an account, and there you have to include your website or the blog, whatever you have that you want to monetize. And then right after like a couple of days, once they approve your websites, you can start monetizing your blog. So this is an easy way to make money. But if you are not good at search engine optimization, or if you are not good at writing long blogs and interesting blogs, then it becomes really hard for you to make money. But still, there are lots of people who are making money out of blogging. So if you want to give it a try, then don't hesitate to do that. The fifth way to make passive income online is through consulting. If you have a laptop, internet connection, and a webcam, then you can start this business right away. You can just tell to your followers or your customers that you are up for consulting, and you can tell them how much you charge hourly. And once you do that, you can just tell them where they can contact you, whether Skype or Google Hangouts, and then you can start making money right away. But there is one disadvantage of this business, and that is you need some good amount of followers. Because if you have like 1,000 followers on social media, then it's very unlikely that 5 or 10 people are going to call you for a 1 hour consulting or 2 hour consulting. On the other hand, if you have like 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers, then it becomes really easy for you to get customers. But at the same time, even if you have like few followers, and if you are really connected with your followers, then this business is really good for you. The sixth way to make passive income online is through affiliate marketing. For this business, you don't have to be smart. For this business, you don't have to create any kind of product. All you have to do is you have to just select someone else's product and you have to promote that product to your followers. The two famous websites which are really good at affiliate marketing, through which you can make some good money, are Amazon and ClickBank. Most of the people, they select these websites, they promote the products that are available on these websites, and then they make some extra money. So if you are good at promoting something, or if you have some good amount of followers, then this business is really good for you. Or even if you don't have followers, but you know how to create cheap Facebook ads or Google AdWords where you can convert the visitors into customers, then affiliate marketing will be really good for you. The seventh way to make passive income online is through stock photography. If you are good at taking photos and videos, then you can make some extra cash out of this. What all you have to do is you have to go to google.com, and there you have to search for websites who are willing to buy stock photography. For example, if you have like 100 photos or videos, then you can go to these kind of websites and you can sell your photos and videos. Whether you can get like every time if a customer buys your photos or videos on their website, you can get paid, or sometimes you can get paid upfront right away. So if you are good at taking photos and videos, try out this business. And if you think that this whole process is a hassle, then you can also create your own website, and there you can sell your photos and videos in the form of a bundle. Just say like you have taken 50 photos and 20 videos, you can combine those photos and videos into a bundle, and you can sell that bundle for like $40, $50 on your own website. So if you have a DSLR camera, or even if you have a smartphone with good camera, then you can give it a try to this business. The eighth way to make passive income online is by selling t-shirts. If you are good at designing, then you can make some extra money out of this business. And even if you are not good at designing, but you know someone who is willing to design for you, then both of you can make some money. For this business, all you have to do is you just have to go to websites like spreadshirt.com or merch.amazon.com, and there you can upload your t-shirt design, and everything else will be taken care by these websites. You don't have to worry about printing the design, you don't have to worry about shipping the design, you don't have to worry about taking returns from your customers. Everything will be taken care by these websites. The ninth way to make passive income online is through licensing. If you have created a digital product, then you can always reach wider audience to sell that product through licensing. All you need to do is you need to create a product, and then you need to reach someone else and ask them to sell your product to their audience. Basically, this business is similar to that of affiliate marketing, but the only difference is you are giving the whole control of your product to someone whom you trust. Or you can also turn this business other way around. If someone else has created a product, you can go to them and you can ask them to license that product to you. So basically, it's like one person creates the product and more than one person promotes it. Alright guys, I'm tired, but one last way. And the 10th way to make passive income online is nothing but creating YouTube videos. Now this business sounds a little bit complicated, or to some people it sounds a little bit easy. But with my personal experience, I can say that it's a mixture of both. It's easy as well as it's complicated. Most of the successful people who start a business, they think that if they start a business, they should be able to scale it. So I think that YouTube is one of that kind of business. If you are good at speaking, or if you are good at animation, if you are good at voiceovers, no matter what kind of skill you have, if you want to make some money, then you can always do that by creating YouTube videos. Of course, in the beginning stages of your YouTube career, you will not be able to make as much money as that of big YouTubers. But the thing is, if you keep going, if you are consistent in creating YouTube videos, then I can definitely say that there are endless opportunities to make money through YouTube. You can always promote other products through your YouTube videos, because YouTube has, like, the main content in YouTube is videos, and I consider that videos are the perfect way of media. So if you want to promote something else, you can always do that through a YouTube video. But at the same time, if you think that you want quick returns, then I can definitely say that this is not a business where you can get quick returns. This is like a long standing business where you have to expect results after a long time. But once again, as I said, it's simple as well as complicated. So if you want to give it a try, then don't hesitate to do that. And that's it for today, guys. Those were 10 proven ways to make passive income online. If you want to learn more about the business of YouTube, then you can click the link in the description and you can buy my book, YouTube Marketing and Earning Strategies. If you want to learn more about businesses of this kind, then once again you can click the link in the description and you can download my free ebook, 5 Roads to Million. If you have liked this video, then please take a moment to share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.